Hey everyone, and welcome to Event Decor Designs by Ieasha. This is Ieasha, and today I'm coming to you with a video. So I just want to say I hope everyone had a happy Mother's Day. So today I'm coming to you with a Mother's Day weekend vlog. I'm going to be showing you what my husband, myself, and our girls did this weekend. Also, I'm going to be showing you some Mother's Day gifts that my husband and my kids gave to me. All right, so first of all, I'm just going to show you some things that they purchased for me. And first of all, it was candy. I absolutely love these Hershey's milk chocolate with almonds. These are my favorite. I actually had 2 of them, so I already ate 1 of them. So I got this. I got a pack of Kit Kats, my favorite. And I also got a sponge, which my husband had already bought me some body wash. So I'm going to be using the body wash and this sponge together. And he bought me some of these pink grapefruit cleansing toilettes. Pink grapefruit. I hope I'm saying that right. All right. And these are pretty good. These are, it said compared to Neutrogena oil-free wipes, pink grapefruit. See right there. All right. So the main thing that they bought me that I'm so super excited about, and if you remember, I told you, I think it was my last video or the video before last that I used to do, and I still do. I told you, I think it was on my last video or the video before that, I had a Cricut business where I did t-shirts, mugs, and things like that. All right, so I have gotten back into doing some of those things, and I've been wanting this EasyPress for a long time. So I'm going to be showing you this right here. He purchased me the Cricut EasyPress 2. All right, as you see right there, and it says iron on success in 60 seconds or less. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be unboxing this to show you how it looks and what all come in it. All right, so it says right here, large, in charge, and ideal for jumbo size projects. It's a 12 by 10, and on the side right here, it shows you everything about it. All right, and on the back, it says the speed of a heat press, the convenience of an iron. All right, so I already have a heat press that I use, that I purchased years ago when my husband had bought the Cricut for me. All right, but I wanted to step it up a little bit and try this. All right, so as you see right here, it tells you all the key features that come with this. All right, it tells you everything that's included in the box. I'm gonna go over that. It includes the Cricut EasyPress 2. It includes safety base, a welcome book, and materials for a practice project. And it says recommended Cricut EasyPress mat to protect your work surface. And it's sold separately. All right, so I'm gonna look into getting that. All right, so let's unbox it, and I'm going to show you as I unbox it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it and let you all see me as I open it for the first time to check and see everything that is included. All right, so when you first open it, you will see this cute little C for a Cricut, and this is so cute. All right, it's actually the glitter vinyl. I don't like the iron on because it has the little material here for you to iron on. Guess you can iron on something. All right, and it comes with the let's do this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And I think this is just how to register the product, and it comes with the information to register it. It comes with the welcome book. And it just tells you different things about welcome, what's in the box, at a glance, instructions, and so on and so forth. All right, and it also shows you the different projects that you can do. These are pillows, so different projects you can do to your pillows. All right, and it shows you everything here. It says to control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so it shows all of that. Shows you how to use it, get prepped, how to press on the vinyl on the shirts. All right, and it goes so on and so forth. All right, and then it has the quick guide, shows you what you need to do. All right, the safety instructions all come in this pamphlet right here. All right, so now I'm about to take it out. All right, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna turn it around so I can take it out that way. I'm laying it out here. Put it out. Oh. Okay, and that's how the box looks at the bottom. All right, so it comes in this cute little bag here. And if you want to, you can take that little Cricut symbol and just iron it on the front. I think that's what I'm going to do. All right, so let's open it up. Take everything out. All right. And it's pretty heavy. All right. And this is the bigger one. They have a smaller one as well as a really small one that you can purchase also. It just depends on what you're going to be doing with your projects. I do a lot of t-shirts and tote bags and things like that. All right. So this is how it looks. As you see right here. And it comes with plastic on it. So all you have to do is just take this plastic off. All right, and here's the little buttons here, all the different buttons, and this lights up. All right, and here's the base. The base comes in plastic, as you see here. You just remove it from the plastic and it looks like this. All right, okay, so let me go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and take the plastic off. Just like this. And I didn't show you the bottom of this. The bottom looks actually just like an iron. You know, the iron have that base on it. All right, so I'm going to take this piece off of the plug. All right, so this is what the plug look like. It has a 3-prong plug on it, to it, as you see right here. All right, and this is the way it looks. And you take it and just place it on top of here like this, and you allow it to warm up. All right, so I want you all to stay tuned to the end of this video. I will be showing you also my Mother's Day. I will be also showing you what my kids and my husband did for me Mother's Day of last year. I was going through my videos and my pictures and I realized that I did not show you that video either. So if you want to see what they did for me last year, stay tuned to the end of this video. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be back on Friday at 5:00 p.m. Central Time. So make sure you come back on Friday at 5:00 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I will show you what I'm going to be doing with my Cricut EasyPress. I have some projects that I will be doing. So make sure you stay tuned on Friday. Come back to my channel here on Friday. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on Friday. You all have an amazing day. And don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions or anything, any videos or anything that you may want to see me do with my Cricut. I'm going to be putting in the description box as well as in the card section the other Cricut projects that I have done in the past so that you can see that. Make sure you go and check it out. What y'all making?
A sandcastle.
There you go. You did it that time.
That is
I told you you had to put some water in the sand first.
Look at that. Ooh.
Daddy, can I get some more?